I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make egg fry variety. First, let's master the basics. Begin by cracking 2 or 3 large eggs into a bowl. Heat 1 tablespoon of your preferred oil or butter in a non-stick pan over medium heat. Once hot, gently pour in the eggs. Cook them until the egg whites are fully set and the yolk reaches your desired consistency, whether runny or firm. This foundational method is quick, taking only about 2 to 3 minutes. For those who love a bit of heat, let's explore a spicy egg fry. After pouring your eggs into the pan, immediately sprinkle in about 1/4 teaspoon of red chili powder. You can also add 1 finely chopped green chili for an extra layer of spice. Finish with a pinch of black pepper and salt to taste. This variation transforms a simple egg fry into a vibrant, flavorful dish, perfect for a quick, energizing meal. Next, let's elevate our egg fry with herbs and cheese. Once the eggs are in the pan, sprinkle 2 tablespoons of shredded cheddar or mozzarella cheese over them. Then, add 1 tablespoon of fresh chopped chives or parsley for a burst of fresh flavor. Cook until the cheese is beautifully melted and bubbly, which usually takes about 2 minutes. This creates a rich, savory, and incredibly satisfying egg fry. Finally, let's make a nutritious, vegetable-loaded egg fry. Before adding the eggs, sauté about 1/4 cup of finely diced bell peppers and onions in the pan for 2 to 3 minutes until slightly softened. Then, pour your eggs directly over these vegetables. Cook until the eggs are fully set and the vegetables are tender crisp. This method adds wonderful texture and essential nutrients to your breakfast or any meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.